Hi, I'm a Spanish certified interpreter working for Multicultural New South Wales. I have an interpreting assignment at Liverpool Local Court tomorrow morning at 9:30 a.m, so I'm doing some final preparation to make sure that everything runs smoothly. I searched for my case in the court lists of the New South Wales online registry to confirm the listing time, the type of case, and which courtroom they expected to be in. Using the information provided by the Language Services Agency, I've already done glossary research for the legal and subject-specific words that might be used within this case. As a professional interpreter, dressing in court-appropriate attire is essential. It makes a good impression, and you feel more confident. It's also important to arrive 15 to 30 minutes early for your court case. This gives you enough time to get ready before court begins. Let's go inside and see how you prepare for court. Checking the court list with the online registry can save you time. I confirm details with the notice board outside the courtroom. It's important to know that sometimes cases are moved at the last minute. I let the court officer know when I arrive. This way, when the magistrate calls the case, the officer will confirm my attendance. Court officers are busy people, so you may find them in the foyer or in the courtroom. Before we go inside, there are a few formalities you should be aware of. 1. Put your phone on silent or turn it off. 2. If the court is in session, you will have to bow to the crest above where the magistrate is sitting. This shows respect. 3. You should always stand when addressing the magistrate and say, "Your Honour." Court cases are complicated matters. I'd like to explain some of the terms you may come across. Mention: the initial listing of a matter in court before it goes to the hearing or sentencing stage for the purpose of entering a plea, applying for bail, etc. Defendant: a person who has a criminal charge or a court claim for money or application for an apprehended violence order brought against them. Plea, plead: when a person tells the court whether they are guilty or not guilty of an offence. Hearing: a legal proceeding where an issue of law or fact is tried and evidence is presented to help determine the issue. Adjourn, adjournment: to suspend proceedings to another time or place. Bail: a conditional agreement to allow the defendant to be released from custody whilst the criminal case is being decided. Terms will include attending on each court date and may have other conditions such as depositing money or reporting to police.
Silence, please, all stand. This court is now sitting. The next matter for mention is Luis Rodriguez. Your Honor, the defendant is unrepresented and the Spanish interpreter is present before the court.
Thank you. Madam Interpreter, please state your name for the record and if you could give your ID to the court officer, please.
Your Honour, my name is Maria Gonzalez, certified Spanish interpreter. My ID. La intérprete se identifica.
Thank you. Mr. Rodriguez, I see on the first occasion that you appeared, you sought an adjournment for legal advice. Are you ready to enter a plea today?
Señor Rodríguez, veo que en su primera audiencia solicitó un aplazamiento para poder recibir consejo legal. ¿Está ahora dispuesto a presentar su alegato?
Sí, he recibido consejo legal y quiero declararme no culpable.
Yes, I have received legal advice and I wish to plead not guilty.
Thank you. I'll have to set a date for a hearing. Sergeant, how many witnesses do you have?
2, Your Honour.
Thank you. And Mr. Rodriguez, how many witnesses will you have?
Señor Rodríguez, ¿usted cuántos testigos tendrá?
Solo yo.
It's only me.
Thank you. Mr Rodriguez, is the 28th of October a suitable date for you?
Señor Rodríguez, el 28 de octubre es una fecha que le venga bien?
Sí.
Very well.
Yes.
I'll adjourn this matter for hearing to the 28th of October at 9:30. Bail is continued.
When I finish a case, I need to wait until the court officer is available to sign off that I have completed my assignment and how long I was here for. Sometimes I need to go with the defendant to the registry office if the court has made orders, and if that happens, I will ask the officer there to sign off my assignment. These are my tips for interpreting at court. 1. Before you take your first assignment, sit in a local court and observe cases and other interpreters in action. 2. Prepare for your assignment. Look at the New South Wales online registry to confirm details and review legal glossaries for words that might be used. 3. Display your certification and dress professionally. 4. Arrive 15 to 30 minutes early. This gives you the time to get through security, find the courtroom, and identify yourself to the court officer. 5. Courts usually list multiple cases at the same time, so you might have to wait before your assigned case is called. 6. Put your phone on silent or switch it off before entering the courtroom. 7. If you're speaking to the magistrate, stand up and say, "Your Honour." In the next video, we'll be interpreting in a hearing. To find out more, watch the video Interpreting at a Hearing in a Local Court.